Welcome to softwaretestingmaterial.com. Today in this video, I would like to discuss about the BugHerd bug tracking tool and visual feedback software. Assume this is the website you have launched for your client recently. Your client found some issues like a button is not working, some text is wrong on the website. Your client is reporting to your support team one after another. It creates explanations, misunderstandings, and frustration. Also, it involves rest of your team. That's where BugHerd comes in. BugHerd is a bug tracking tool and visual feedback software. It works with all major browsers and devices. With this tool, your clients can visually report an issue to the developers right inside your browser. It captures a screenshot along with all the technical information, such as browser, operating system, and more which your developers need. It integrates with tools like Github, Zapier, Slack, and more. BugHerd helps your team in getting clear actionable feedback from your clients and allows you to create amazing digital products. BugHerd. Try it for free at bugherd.com. BugHerd pricing details. It comes with 4 plans. Its basic plan starts with $33 per month billed annually. You get account for 5 team members with 10 GB storage. You can choose any of the 4 plans including Enterprise Plan, which is a customized plan based on your needs. Let's see BugHerd in action. BugHerd sign up. Go to bugherd.com and click on Start Free Trial. You will get 14 days free trial. Enter all the required details to do sign up. Once you get an account, you need to create a project. Now let's see how to create a project in BugHerd. Enter your project name, website URL, and click on Create Project. Now next step is to install BugHerd Chrome extension. Actually, you can either install BugHerd Chrome extension or use its JavaScript code. Let's see how to install BugHerd Chrome extension in this video. Click on the Install Chrome extension. It redirects to Chrome Web Store. From here you can install it. Once you install it, you need to do login. Enter valid user credentials to login. You will see the project you have created in the BugHerd dashboard. Now let's see how to report issues. To create issue, you need to click on the plus icon in the BugHerd sidebar, which is in the right-hand side of the website. Touch anywhere to create an annotation on that area. Assume the button Subscribe for free is not working on the web page. Click on that. A pop-up will display. Give required information to create an issue. Now let's create the issue. Assume the text on the web page is incorrect. Click on the plus button again and click on the text. Again, a pop-up will display. Give required information to create an issue. Like this, you can create multiple tasks by just clicking on the web page. With BugHerd, you can also create a video feedback. Let's see how it works. Click on the video feedback icon on the BugHerd sidebar. You can record entire screen or just window or any of the Chrome tab. Enter the valid information and create a task. BugHerd captures all the technical information along with the screenshot. It helps developers to fix the issue and meet the needs of users. This way, the visual feedback tools help businesses to improve page usability. You can see the technical information such as operating systems, browser details, selector details, resolution, etc. You can invite your team members by using Invite Team Members feature. Enter appropriate email and click on Add Members to invite your team members. They will receive an email. To join, they have to click on the link in the email. In BugHerd, you can see Kanban style board, where you can arrange your tasks in backlog, to do, doing done, etc. BugHerd Visual Feedback Tool helps your team in getting clear actionable feedback from your clients and allows you to create amazing digital products. Try it for free at bugherd.com.